Okay, so here we are with the GT868, which is the one that Mark kindly sent me. And so we did the PA switch, which was one reason it didn't transmit, and the burnt out resistor in the transmitter was the other reason. So nice tuning, 0.31 of a microvolt for 12 decibel cyanide. They're very sensitive sets because they are bleed over boxes if you're in a congested area, but they've got the range if you're not. And this one incredibly is doing 3.9 watts, which considering the 3.5 watt set is very good. It's also only drawing, I'll just press transmit for a second, 1.1 amps. Tango 21 Mr. Chippie out there.
Yep, roger that. Just Ancaster service station waiting for the go.
Okay, and off we go.
Roger that.
So we've just done another test with the Giessen emergency kit, the KT750, as a walkie-talkie. So I said, well, there's no point coming back to base. So start the test 2/3 of a mile away at the petrol station, which is what he's done. So that's where he was.
Right, we're now going through Ancaster Crossroads.
Roger, got you at Ancaster Crossroads.
Roger that. Right, we're now passing the top of the hill as we go down in towards Wilsford. Over.
Roger, got you at the top of the hill.
Roger that. And there's someone from Chippie. We're now going around Scratchy Corner, Wilsford. Over.
Roger, got you going around Scratchy Corner loud and clear, and I'm on a Barracuda GT868 and it's doing 3.9 watts over. Roger.
Right, we're now going over Wilsford Level Crossing.
Roger, got you going over Wilsford Level Crossing. Roger, got you at the Kelby turn. Roger, got you at the Greyleys turn. Roger, got you square wheeled at Rawsby Level Crossing. That concludes the test. Thank you. 10-10. Well, there you go. What you tend to find on a set like this is some of those, we were listening to 19, weren't we, on the earlier, and you've got the sensitivity in this area with them coming through, and everybody sounds clear and everybody sounds on frequency when you know they're not. Of course, it's as wide as a barn door, so it makes people sound better than they really are. So there you are. No good in a congested city, but works very well here, and unusually doing 3.9 watts. So thanks very much, Mark, for sending that in, and it lives again.
Tango 21 testing the Barracuda GT868 into our Harris CBHQ base station. This is a standard replacement microphone. Testing 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. And as ever, thanks for watching.